Noto Railway kicked off a limited-time Christmas train from Anamizu Station with an event for local kindergartners on December 9th. The event was held after a difficult year in Noto Peninsula, which experienced a 7.6 magnitude earthquake on New Year's Day and record rainfall with subsequent flooding and mudslides in September. The children sang Christmas songs and ate cakes with Santa and a reindeer mascot on board the train. Santa gave the children a gift of sweets as they approached the final destination, Nanao Station. The children appeared to enjoy the early Christmas celebration. Noto Railway will operate the Christmas train until December 25th.